The Dark Knight, The Boy Wonder, the ultimate video collection, The Adventures of Batman and Robin.
Showtime!
It's their greatest battles, with their most fearsome enemies, the Riddler.
He's the only one worthy of the game.
Batman and Robin are trapped inside a dangerous game, where the only rule is...
they have to match wits with the Riddler.
Look out!
Two-Face. The dynamic duo come face-to-face with Two-Face, a criminal mastermind who's really flipped out.
Snuff the bat! Hurry, Batman!
The Joker. The Clown Prince of Crime has a Christmas surprise in store for Gotham City.
This one's for you.
Plus, the complete untold story of Robin, the secrets of his past, and how he came to be.
I've got a job to do.
4 thrilling adventures. 4 awesome videos. The Adventures of Batman and Robin.
Now on video. Little Giants. They may be a ragtag team,
I'll show you intimidation.
but check out their secret weapon.
Call me Becky.
Now they're ready to tackle anything in a comedy the critics call a sure touchdown.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Giant laughs. It's great fun for the entire family. Rick Moranis, Ed O'Neill. Little Giants.
Is that an engagement, Pebble, or what?
I love it.
Hubie and Marina were in love
Wake up and smell the seaweed.
until the evil Drake sent him to the other side of the world.
I believe Hubie's still out there.
But now, with a magic pebble and a new best friend,
You've got "Eat Me" written all over you.
he's got to get back home to save his true love.
Get your flippers off my girl.
Hubie!
The Pebble and the Penguin, rated G.
Boss,
Something happened. What's wrong?
you'll have the item today, just like we agreed. It's as good as in your hands. Nothing can go wrong.
You contemptible canine!
Don't call me K9. Do you know the meaning of patience?
As long as dogs are involved, anything can go wrong!
I'll take that as a no. Jeez, what a hothead. Keep your quarter.